Hey you guys, today we are coming with a unboxing. I think that you guys are gonna enjoy this video. This is something that I have been wanting to get for years, but this is the newest model, I think. Don't quote me on that, but I'm gonna check, but I do think that this is the newest model, and I'm going to unbox it with you all today and see how it works. Stay tuned.
I've been here before, familiar with the view. This ain't nothing new. And every time that you walk through the door, I'm hit by the same old side, blinded by the lights. And I'm going through changes, but it's easier with you. I'm going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me. I know you've got secrets, but I can't keep on. And we're fading in and out together. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment.
So as you can see, this product came with very few pieces to put together. All I had to do was literally insert the handle. I needed to put a few pieces together on the base, and the only other thing that I needed to do was to insert the spin brush. Also, I wanted to just point out that this product came with 5 sample solutions. It came with 1 large size bottle, full size, and it came with 4 small sample size bottles, which I absolutely adore, because I don't have to go right out and purchase a bunch of cleaning solutions. And also, you guys, you can put your own solution in here as well. You don't have to use the Bissell cleaning solution. It tells you where to fill the water and how much of the solution that you're going to need to add in. So I absolutely love that.
Stuck in the moment. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment. The fuse wide open, stuck in the
Okay, you guys, so I'm getting ready to show you all how the Bissell works. This is an after dinner mess on the floor. We had some stir fry, and so this is rice and some of the meat that the girls got all over the floor. And I'm going to show you all how the Bissell works to pick it up.
This moment, can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 drive. Do you know I'm looking? Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom.
Alright, so that's it. This Bissell was super easy to use. It was so simple and accessible for me to just pull it out right off of the base and just mop this up. I didn't have to get a bucket, a mop, and all this other stuff. Rice is not easy to sweep up. So for me to be able to vacuum that rice up that's just gonna smear all over the floor as well as mop it at the same time, this was such a time saver, you guys. So if you are interested in this Bissell Cordless Crosswave Max, you can click the link in the description below.